Guys, I'm here at Scott's Rental. Just rented this Kubota mini excavator, and then I got to come back with the trailer after I unload this at the house and get the skid steer. Got a Kubota skid steer over there, I think is the one I'm going to be getting. But yep, he's going to grease a few things and then I'll be on my way. So see you over at the house. All right guys, let's get it. All right guys, so we got the mini excavator here, we got the skid steer here. I had to go back and get the skid steer with that trailer there. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna dig this hill right here down, make this driveway wider, and put the slope, like this slope, over there. Okay, get rid of all this so my wife can just pull in here, and we're just going to try to dig some of that back and just gently slope it. But this right here, the main thing is I got to get this dug down out here to where I can put a stem wall in line with that wall right there. Okay, that's the main idea. And I think we're going to do some landscaping around this right here. We're going to just kind of curve this, I think, and just have where you have stair steps going up, and that concrete's probably going to come out eventually, and we're just going to redo this whole thing right here. So we're going to bring it down right here and cut it around, bring this down to the just under the grade, well, a couple inches under the grade of that concrete, so I can add concrete in and bring it up to that height. So we got to bring it down to grade, you know, below this, to where we still have, well, we'll have what is it, like 3.5 4 inches to build it up. We'll have to put rock down and everything, so we'll probably take it down about 5 to 6 inches, and then get rid of all this dirt right here. So I've got a ton of work to do, y'all. Let's set you up over here somewhere and let you guys see what I do. Good morning, guys. So I just got out of the tub. My son is supposed to be showing up today. He came by last night. I was actually going to call him yesterday to see if he would help me with the little project at hand outside. But he just randomly showed up last night while me and my wife was in town. I was picking up some Subway, getting a salad for me, and because I had her come get me because the trailer's hooked up to my pickup, right? So I didn't want to unhook the trailer, so I had her come and get me. This morning we're gonna go grab breakfast, and gotta go to Walmart. I already had some coffee. I don't know if I already said that. I'm still waking up. It's pretty early yet. The sun's just coming up. It's starting to get daylight out. I don't guess you guys can probably see out there, but yeah, it's been raining all night. So I haven't been outside yet, and I imagine it's probably a soupy mess. But yeah, my son's gonna come over and run the skid steer, but I gotta go into town, get him some rain gear so he's not like sitting on a wet seat and getting soaked. Actually, I have rain gear that'll fit him. I'm gonna give him my old rain gear that's in my backpack that I bought for me that's a little too small for me, and I'm gonna get me a bigger pair. He'll fit into the original pair I had. I've only wore them one time, and so they're practically brand new, but I'm just gonna give those to him. I'm sure he'll get lots of use out of it. From what I understand, he's working on a farm right now, so pretty sure he can get use out of that. Let's see, I don't know what else. I guess take you guys outside with me. You guys will get to see everything in daylight, because I continued working after finishing out the video yesterday. I think I recorded a little bit. I don't remember if I kept recording or not, but I kept digging, and I made a mountain out there. I don't know how daylight it is right now, or how well it will show up on the GoPro. I'm using the GoPro right now. I'm actually considering maybe, no, I think I'll just get another external hard drive and maybe another memory card and some batteries for this GoPro. So that's the only reason I haven't been using this GoPro for a while, because the little tabs on the batteries have pulled off of them from so much use of pulling them out and putting them in and everything. So I've got to get some new batteries for the GoPro. I've got to get another memory card, because everything, my phone, apparently it was shutting off continuously yesterday. So I have no idea how much I got recorded. It was cramming video, I guess, and it was full or whatever. I had to go in, and I had to delete a lot of videos, and by mistake I deleted a video. It was a training video that I was trying to do. It wasn't the greatest, so it's not a big deal. I just have to do it again. So yeah, have to start that one over again. But that's the joy of doing YouTube. Sometimes you delete stuff that you're not really wanting to, and then you have to do that work all over again. So anyways, let's go outside and see what we got going on. All right, guys, so before I show you what's over there in the driveway on the other side of the bus, I wanted to show you guys this. I had to walk over here to my pickup and grab my jacket that's got its hood. It's not raining terribly, it's just kind of sprinkling right now, but it's been raining all night. And look at this. This is going to be a mess. Oh my gosh. Look at what it looks like right now. So this is the track, you know, where I was hauling the dirt, rock or whatnot back here to the backyard. I'm using it for fill dirt back here where I'm going to be building my new wood shop. That's the plan anyways. Boy, this is a soupy mess. I don't know if we're going to be able to do this today. I sure hope we don't get that thing stuck back here, because this is really, really bad. Oh my gosh. I may have to just haul the equipment back and do it a different weekend, because this is, oh, it's so soggy. Oh man. I dropped a rock right there yesterday. I slowed down and tipped the skid steer forward onto the bucket. Check this out. I got a lot done. That was with the Mini X. I went through, I knocked down the old peach tree. It died out on me. It was rotted, and I just knocked it over. It's right, where is it? Right there. I shoved it down there, but this is where I've been dumping that dirt and rock to kind of build up the driveway area here. I need to build that up further back in here, so that's what we're doing with it. But yeah, this is, I don't even know if I'll be able to get that skid steer up and down this hill. This is way worse than I thought it was going to be, because we haven't had rain in a good while. There's my son showing up. Yeah, we haven't had rain in a good bit, and this, we've got at least a good 2 inches of mud now from just overnight. This is crazy. So he didn't get to see this in the daylight either. So I'm gonna take you guys up here and show you what it looks like up here in the driveway. I can't just leave a mountain of dirt and rock in my driveway. I've got to get that dug out, and it has to go somewhere. I hate the thought of like just piling it somewhere and then moving it down the hill at a later date, but I may have to do that. You might pull your truck on up here away from the road, like where I've moved these logs over here. You shouldn't have it that close to the road. Somebody will probably hit it. Huh? It's got insurance, yeah, but they may not. All right, there it is, guys. You know, I checked the weather yesterday, and it said like 2 to 5% chance of rain. And look at this. It rained all freaking night long. So, yeah. And I don't know if you're going to be able to get up and down that hill back there with the skid steer. It is a soupy mess. Like, bad. So I don't know what we're going to do. Either way, the equipment has to go back. I can't keep it all week or nothing. But this has to get done. I can't leave it like this. Wow. There you go, guys. This is what we got going on. I mean, this right here is not bad because there's so much rock, right? So this, I think this will pack down pretty good where the rock is and make a decent driveway. I'm just gonna have to use the mini excavator to smooth it out. But what I'm gonna do is eventually I'll dig a footer right here so I can build like a stem wall, and then it's probably going to be like, we'll have a French drain right here behind the wall. That way we can add on to the front of the house here for a bigger garage. So for that, I will probably just hire a contractor to come out and add on to the front of the house, bring the whole thing out to where it's like a 2-story, and then they'll just match up the roof, redo the whole roof and everything. Yeah, it'll be pretty expensive to do if I do it that way. But this is where I figured I can get the dirt for the back, so I can get that the shop started back there so I can have a wood shop. And then it'd be kind of nice to have a actual garage up here so I can pull vehicles inside to work on or whatnot. And just probably, instead of having like 2 doors or whatever, we'll just have one big door. So anyways, that's what it looks like now. I got a huge pile of dirt here and rock that came from right where I'm standing right now. And we're gonna go grab breakfast and some rain gear and stuff, because I'm sure the seat is wet in that skid steer. I have rain gear for Brandon. I need to get rain gear for me, because the rain gear I got is a little small for me. So anyways, we'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, bye.